Hi there. How about spinach pasta in creamy garlic sauce? It's comforting and warms the heart. We will make the eggless pasta with spinach and the creamy garlic sauce with no cream in it, all from scratch. You will be able to cook up a treat easily and surprise yourself. Have you subscribed to my channel for easy, tried and tested recipes? Take 2 cups of Suji or Semolina in a mixer jar and grind it to a fine texture. Take it out into a dish for kneading. Wash and roughly chop 70 grams of spinach leaves and stem. Put them in a mixer jar along with half a teaspoon of salt and blend them to a smooth paste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the semolina and mix well. That's my spinach paste. Gorgeous, isn't it? You could use frozen spinach also for this recipe. Pour a little of the paste at a time and knead a medium soft dough. So I used up all the spinach paste for the dough. If you fall short, just use a bit of water in its place. Once it all comes together, knead for 2 to 3 minutes to get a smooth dough. Cover it and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After resting, the dough will tighten up slightly. Knead it again for 2 minutes until it is smooth. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Use a dusting of flour to help with the rolling. I have rolled out a big squarish piece which is not too thin. Sprinkle a bit of flour and smear it all over. Lift the square from one end and roll it up. Use a sharp knife to cut out strips of equal width. You may cut out thin or thick strips as you like. I did 1/4 inch thick strips. Be gentle. Then all you do is open up the rolls gently. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share your feedback in the comments, and I'll get back to you. And voila, your pasta strip is ready. Cut up the entire log and open up the strips. Use a dusting of flour to help you with it. This recipe is for 3 to 4 portions, but for this video I am cooking only one portion. The rest of the pasta I'll store in an airtight container for later. Boil water for the pasta and season it with salt. Add the pasta and let it cook on medium heat. It will hardly take a few minutes to cook, and then the pasta will start to float on top. Boil for a minute longer. Then turn off the heat and take them out. The pasta is done. Reserve some pasta water for the sauce. You'll find the detailed recipe with exact amounts in the description box below. Chop the onion finely. Blend together paneer or cottage cheese and milk to a smooth paste. Keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a deep pan. Add the chopped onion and stir fry till it gets a light color. Then add finely chopped garlic and cook till they turn light brown. Pour in the paneer paste. Keep the heat on medium and cook stirring till it starts to boil. Lower the heat and grate in some cheese as much as you like. Any cheese you like. I had some Kalimpong cheese, so that's what I'm using today. Mix well and cook till the cheese melts. Add a bit of pasta water. Mix and bring it back to the boil. Add a tiny bit of slurry to bring the sauce together. You could use rice flour, corn flour, plain flour for the slurry. That's done. Add the cooked pasta. Toss to coat them well. Turn off the heat. Serve the pasta hot, drizzled with some extra sauce, some grated cheese on top. chili flakes, and enjoy.